Hey everyone, how's it going? Christina here. Welcome back to another video on the crypto channel. Hope you are all doing well today, doing some coverage for you on KASPA. I wanted to start off with this article from CoinMarketCap, kind of talking a little bit about what is to come for KASPA, the recent price surge that we've seen. It was up a couple of cents there, up into the 11-cent range, and then also the future in regards to smart contracts and just what is to come for the project. So this article is entitled "Kaspa Exposed 40% in a Week Ahead of Game-Changing Smart Contract Launch." So ahead of the smart contract launch, we did have a little bit of a price surge up to about 11 cents. So it says Kaspa charts bullish pattern as traders eye further upside. The recent rally pushed Kaspa above the 10-cent psychological level for the first time in months, reaching a high of 11.53. On the daily chart, the token is testing the upper boundary of a symmetrical wedge pattern that has been forming since late last year. A successful breakout above the 11.7 resistance could open the path to further upside targets, including 13 cents and 16 cents. So the next milestones for this in terms of prices are a little over that 11.5 range at 11.7. Then hopefully after that it'll lead to milestones such as 13 cents and 16 cents. Now, some people might think, okay, we're talking very small price surges here. When is this going to hit 20 cents, 50 cents, a dollar, over a dollar? When is that going to happen? We could see that happen sometime after the smart contract launch, and particularly if I were to put it on a certain timeline, I would say the fall. So September, October, November is when we could really kind of see this price surge. In the meantime, the Chaikin money flow has surged to 17 cents plus, signifying a robust capital inflow in KASPA. This indicates that investors are strategizing before the integration of the smart contract. KASPA's market performance also became potent before it introduced smart contracts, with technical indicators aligning and investor interest climbing. The network appears poised for increased activity and further upside in the weeks to come. So there's big things coming for this, which will hopefully lead to some prominent tier one exchanges. The chart is still looking super healthy here, sitting at a $2.28 billion market cap. Volume is down a little bit, but still looking okay at 68.76 mil. And the price is currently sitting at almost 9 cents here at 0.086. So it is over that 85 mark. And, a lot of red here when we zoom in, down 19.21% here for the past 7 days, up for the month, but then down for the year about 53.04%. So it looks worse when you zoom in, but when you zoom out, it really looks healthy and normal. We're just obviously seeing that red when we zoom in there to the 24-hour, 7-day, 1-month views, because it bumped up to 11 and now it's kind of coming back down into a short-term correction. I think each time something bumps up like that, even a couple cents, it's normal for it to come back down again 1 or 2 cents. So we are back down again to about 8 cents, but it did break some thresholds here in the past couple of weeks. It was nice to kind of see it finally hit that 10-cent range again, and then up to around 11 cents. So community sentiment on this is also still strong. 89% are bullish, 11% are bearish. 324.7K votes in that poll. Already is in tier 1 territory with the Kraken listing. I think our next exchange is probably going to be crypto.com for tier 1s. And then followed by a Binance listing, but I don't foresee any of this happening until after smart contracts are launched. So I think it'll happen in that order. Once that milestone hits, then I think that will make CASPA even more attractive to those tier one exchanges. It's attractive now, but I think smart contracts are definitely going to help in that area. So where do I think this is going to go? Price prediction is the same on this. Is $3 is my price prediction. Do I think it could hit 5? Possibly. That's a little bit of a bullish price prediction though. It will be hitting $1 and it will be going over $1. So I am in the $3 price range on this. That's what I think it's going to hit. And some people think that that is like too low or lower than like what I've been saying in the past. I've always said around a $3 to $5 range. That's always been my price prediction on Caspa. And if it hits $3, it's literally going to change people's lives. So never mind $5. It will hit $5, but um, when it's hard to say, and the $5 price prediction might be a little more of a long-term price prediction. Maybe next bull cycle will be $5 to $7, whatever. But I do think $3. It will hit $3 this bull cycle, and that will most definitely change people's lives. $1 will change people's lives, but I think it will be going over $1. So keep your eyes on this. Top off your bags. Um, it's in a really great place. This chart looks healthy to me. There's nothing abnormal about it. Everything is down right now. Everything has been down, and we haven't really seen the official bull cycle pumping yet. I think it's just severe delays because people ask me all the time, well, when is it going to happen, Christina? You've been saying it's going to happen for a whole year. And I understand that, but my predictions are not written in stone. I can tell you we will see significant pumping. It's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when. So I will keep you posted on this as I always do. Probably a video on this sometime next week or sooner if something major happens. Don't forget as well, I'm offering my one-on-one coaching / portfolio reviews. Link for that is down in the description section. Also check out my Discord link. A lot happening in the Discord, so get on in on the chat, guys. We're talking about a lot of major stuff, so it's a very productive chat right now. And of course, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It is so appreciated, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks, guys.